We will be discussing about writing chemical formula. This topic is taken from the chapter Atoms and Molecules from class 9. And so if you remember last time we did this valency. All these valencies you have to learn so that you are able to write the formulas. I hope all of you must have done that. And these were the cations and these were the anions. So with the help of these formulas and valency, we are going to write the formula. Okay, so let us take first example. First is you are supposed to write the formula of lithium chloride. Now before writing, you should be clear with this table along with this valency, right? Okay, so the question is lithium chloride. Okay, formula for lithium is Li positive, as you can see in this table. Li positive, and chloride, formula for chloride is Cl minus 1. So I will just write Cl minus 1. Now we are going to write the formula with the help of cross valency. What is meaning of cross valency? Means whatever is written on the top of cation and anion, whatever number is written, we have to write it on the opposite side of the ion. Like here, this one will go here and this will go here. So the formula becomes Li. See, we don't write 1. So I'll just write LiCl because both the valencies are 1 1. So we don't write 1 at the subscript. So the formula becomes LiCl. Now let us take the other example. Other is formula for sodium iodide. Okay. Now sodium formula is Na positive. So I will just write Na positive. Okay, formula for iodide is I negative. So I'll just write I negative. Cross valency means this one will go here and this one will go here. So formula becomes NaI. Okay, now the next example is silver nitrate. Okay, so the formula for silver is Ag plus 1, and nitrate, formula for nitrate is NO3 minus 1. So let me just write their formulas. Ag plus 1, NO3 minus 1. So just cross valency and the formula becomes AgNO3. Okay, now we come to the next formula, copper hydroxide. See, it's written copper bracket 1 hydroxide. This Roman number, because I have told you in the previous video that copper has got two valency. One is cuprous, other is cupric. Cuprous means valency of copper is plus 1. Cupric, Ic, I have told you at the end, Ic means higher valency. So the valency for cupric is plus 2. But here, since they have written copper 1, so it means I have to take the valency of copper as 1. So I will just write the formula copper. Okay, formula for hydroxide is OH minus 1. So just write this OH minus 1, cross valency it, and the formula becomes CuOH. Okay, next is gold chloride. Formula for gold is Au plus 1. Au plus 1, and it's already written 1, you have to take the valency. So valency I have taken 1. And along with that chloride. Chloride, if you remember, we wrote the formula Cl minus 1. So here also we will write Cl minus 1, cross valency, and AuCl. Okay, in all these examples, the valency of cation and anion, whatever I have taken, is 1. Now we will start with the other, where valency of cation or anion can be 2 or more. Okay, so the first is calcium hydroxide. Okay, let me check the formula. Calcium formula is Ca plus 2, and hydroxide we have already done, OH minus 1. So we will just write calcium hydroxide minus 1. Now you can see valency of calcium is plus 2 and this is minus 1. So the valency won't cancel out, right? And this will go here and this one will go here. So you will write Ca1, right? Subscript is 1 here, and because this 2 has to come to this whole hydroxide, so I have to write OH in bracket whole twice. Whenever we have valency higher than 1, we are supposed to write that in bracket. If we have got 2 atoms or more than 2 atoms in the cation or anion along with the number. We'll do one more example, then it will be clear to you. Okay, magnesium carbonate. Okay, formula for magnesium is Mg plus 2, and formula for carbonate is this. Again the valency is 2 minus, so just write down the formula. Magnesium, you will write plus 2, carbonate is CO3, 2 minus. As you can see, valency of both these ions is 2, so this will cancel out, and we will have the formula MgCO3. That's it. This is the formula of magnesium carbonate. Next is iron oxide. Iron C, since I have written iron 2 and I have told you iron has also got 2 valencies. One is ferrous where valency is plus 2 and other one is ferric where valency is plus 3. So accordingly we have to see what is given. Since it is written iron 2, so I will take the value of iron as plus 2, and oxide if you remember is O2 negative, so you will write O2 negative. Since again the valencies are same, so this will cancel out and the formula is FeO. Now next we come to aluminium chloride. So formula for aluminium, okay, you can just check. Formula for aluminium is Al plus 3. Chloride formula we have already done is Cl minus 1. Now when you are going to cross valency, this 1 will go here, 3 will come here, so the formula is AlCl3. This is the formula of aluminium chloride. Okay, now the last example. This is calcium carbonate. This would be similar to magnesium carbonate, so I am choosing here, let me take sodium carbonate. I'll write the formula of this. Okay, so the formula for sodium is Na positive. I will just write Na plus 1. Okay, formula for carbonate, if you remember, was CO3 2 minus, so you will write CO3 2 minus. When you are going to cross valency this, what will happen? This 2 will go here and 1 will come here. So the formula becomes Na2CO3. So that's all for today, and you can see learning this valency part is very important if you want to write the chemical formula. So learn the valency table before you do with the chemical formula, and I'm hoping that something will be clear to you or something useful you will find from this video.